Hi guys, this is Mz.Shortcake and I am here with a quick haul that I purchased from Spectrum Art Creations, and she has a YouTube channel also. Go check her out, check her out, check her out. So first, as you can see my background, this is actually rice paper that she created, and it's really pretty. So I have an idea what I want to do with this, but it's so pretty. Look how pretty this is. So I think this is an 11 by 14, I believe. And she also had, let me see if I can stick it underneath here. She also had, I had it ready, everything here close by, so I could just show you guys right away. Okay, found it. So she did also a playing card with them. Look how pretty. I believe it's 2 of them in there. I think it's 2 of them. But look how pretty. That is so pretty. Sorry, I have birds, you guys. So that's what you're here. And talking about birds, I also picked up, this is from the UK. Look how pretty. As you can see, I have birds. I have birds. Look, and they layer up and you pop them. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. They're like talking to each other. And then I bought this, I got an easel, but I think I didn't pick the easel. I thought I had picked the purse, but they're cards. So it's the base of a card. So that's cute. And like I mentioned earlier, one of my previous YouTube video is I love tea, so I thought this was so cute. But I think the other one was a purse that I actually, I'm gonna check my things, because yeah. Anyways, oh my god, my bird is going crazy. So I have some outside and we have some inside, and we have like 2 inside, but they're going crazy. And then she had these little, I want to say stickers, but look how tiny they are. I'm going to put them in the background of white so you can see. But look how cute to add to your books, to your journaling. There's stickers. They even have, look, oh, where'd it go? I'll just show you. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Look at that one. John F. Kennedy. And I believe somewhere in here they have Marilyn Monroe too, because I did see that. I was like, what? But it's so many itty bitty. Oh my god, look at this one. Super tiny. Is that a beer? I don't know. But look, there's a calendar. I like these little vintage ones. Super cute. Okay, so I picked that from her, from Maddie. And she has sales on Saturday. So if you follow her YouTube, I would suggest to you, you will enjoy her a little in her conversations, her games. It's very entertaining. I also bought these. These are corner cutters, and then she had a little demonstration, but so you just cut whatever size, of, let's say this is for tag making. And so any size you need, that's what you turn it to, and then you cut the tag, and you will always have the tag. So then you flip it, she did a whole demonstration. So there's 2 in there, and it's really cool. And I was like, yes, I don't need to run it on the die machine, And then sometimes you need that large die, like, to do a project or something, and you don't have because of the edges. So this covers all that. I just cut a straight line and then the edges. And then she had these stickers. These are Alice in Wonderland. So I've been collecting a little bit of Alice in Wonderland because I have a golden book. Actually, I have 2 golden books. I have this one wouldn't come out. But I have 2 golden books and they're Alice, so I want to do them into journaling. But look, it's kind of like a mix with Alice, and there's this Peter Rabbit. But that's cool. So it's like, I love the style. Love it, love it, love it. I'm trying to show you some more. Look how pretty. This is perfect for like Easter. Also, oh, look, the teacups. Some big old hand, you see, sorry. How cute are those? So that's that. I'm gonna move that to the side. And I finally got it. I've been wanting this, and then I'm like, I don't need it. And I would use my scissors, but it's not the same. I really needed one. So I ended up buying it. I also bought, so I have the, what is it? The crocodile? The crocodile? I think that's what it's called, right? Anyways, so the one that does the round corners, but this one's easier. It's like click, click, click. And I know there's the We Are Memory, but I didn't get that one. So this one, I'm going to try it. And it keeps all the scraps underneath. I was testing it out. It's pretty awesome, actually. So excited about that. Then I got this mold, silicone mold, just so you can cover it with resin or glue or whatever. This reminds me of the Prima frames. I used to have these molds, but I sold them a long time ago. And then last but not least, I bought this wax. So apparently they dropped, what is it? Finnabar dropped new waxes, metallic waxes. And I love green. So I wanted to try one out. And if I like them, then I'll get the rest. Because, you know, you need to have them all, especially Finnabar. So that is my whole haul. Please go check them out. Here I like that she put their label on here, actually. So there it is. Check her out. Go check her out on YouTube, Instagram. This is her website. You can order from her. She's super awesome. If you can actually watch her on YouTube, you will enjoy it. And just say, Mz.Shortcake sent you. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.